I finally did it in 1 hour of trading. I just made a little bit over $13,700 today. And check this out. One thing that I want to show you guys is, well, first off, $13,900 in the green. You guys can see here on the top right. This is with my overall trades. My positions are closed already. SQQQ, $7,139. I left myself open with one lucky share, closed the entire position. The rest of the position, right? 6,470 and 67 cents. And again, my one lucky share here on TQQQ. It was a beautiful trade. I wanted to ask you guys. I just uploaded a video on YouTube on Instagram about it. I'll offer it to you guys as well. You guys know that my LPP team is not free, right? But I wanted to give you guys access to today's live session. So today being September 28th, 2023. You need to drop a thumbs up. You need to subscribe to the channel, and you need to send me a direct message on Discord or on Instagram. It's the first or third link in the description down below. If you want to see, I show that I have no open positions during the start of the session, just like I do every morning, right? I open my first trade, I average up, I share my thought process, every entry, every exit, and then same thing for SQQQ. Every entry and every exit was caught within that live session. If you want to see, because you've never been able to see it before, of what it's like to watch someone day trade successfully, send me a direct message right now, either via Discord or via Instagram. It's all linked down below, and I would be more than happy to share with you today's live trading session. I want to remind you, this is just going to be one video. It's free. You're going to be able to watch it, and it's from today. If you want to continue to see that, again, that is only for my LPP team, so you're going to have to message me after, and I would be more than happy to hook you up with the biggest discount that we offer. But I want you to see first what it's like to watch me trade live. So other than that, again, it was a very simple trade. I mean, I'm pretty much done trading for the day. We're now testing that same resistance that's pretty much testing the EMA line on the 1 hour time frame. So I want to see every hater that I had 3 or 4 days ago when I talked about the NASDAQ market testing oversold levels. I mean, not only have I been on an insane green streak, right, killing it day in and day out, but on top of that, we've stayed very patient. I have not entered a swing trade. I've been waiting for proper confirmation, and it looks like we might be getting it pretty soon, right? So this is the beautiful thing about trading is you can talk, but guess what? We keep winning. We keep actually waiting for opportunities to present themselves. And I think that's the biggest difference between those that stay disciplined and the AMC bag holder Reddit traders, right? Is that they continue to try to throw their money at something, hope that it happens, and they just don't understand the market enough. But it's okay. It'll come with time, right? As of right now, NASDAQ market is continuing to test the same resistance range right around 357. If we begin to show signs of progress, then I'll potentially re-enter for going long on QQQ. I'm super excited to follow up, right? Because even with the economic reports that came out today, GDP third estimate came in at 2.1, expectation 2.1. Initial claims and continuing claims came in pretty much as expected, a little bit lower than what was expected, meaning less people are filing for unemployment than what was expected. Pending home sales did come down 7.1% when the expectation was negative 1%. So that's not necessarily supporting the case that the economy is thriving. But of course, remember, the Federal Reserve is taking economic data to try to justify when is the next rate hike, right? And that is to come, right? That shouldn't be a surprise. Jerome Powell has said it that there's one more interest rate hike in our up and coming future for 2023, and it's going to be most likely 1/4 basis points, right? There's no reason to overcomplicate that. It's just let's work with the market. Market sentiment, there's a lot of fear that was being instilled in the past week, and that's great. The market pulled on back. Now that is presenting a dip buy opportunity if we end up actually getting that confirmation. I don't have an open swing trade. There's no reason for me to if we don't get that confirmation. But it's all about preparing, creating that plan of action of when we do get that confirmation, knowing what to do. And that is the biggest difference. Those that trade based off of hope, that's on them. Those that wait for an opportunity to present itself, that is the biggest difference, right? Being patient enough and trusting yourself enough that you can actually wait for a setup like this. Look how beautiful it is. Retesting previous support. We're still, again, it could still 100% get rejected, but we're testing this EMA line, and I'm so excited to follow up if we get that confirmation. So again, 13K on the day on SQQ, on TQQ. It doesn't matter if the market's green. It doesn't matter if the market's red. You know that we focus on one thing and one thing only, and that is market direction. Again, if you want to watch today's live session, shoot me a direct message right now via Discord or via Instagram, which is the first or third link in the description down below. Live trading, and I would be more than happy to send you today's live session so you can get a taste of what the LPP team get to experience every single day. If you're ready to join our LPP team and you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, the second link in the description down below should be active for the next few hours. It's $175 off. It's our biggest discount. And again, this will give you lifetime access to our LPP lesson library, and so you can get access to our daily live trading sessions. I appreciate your time. Hope that we're in a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.